Hello, today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic, exploratory data analysis. Let me quickly show you the agenda for today video. Today we are going to discuss about what is EDA and descriptive statistics, data exploration, and the final one is data visualization. So this all topic today we are going to cover. So watch my video fully. First, what is exploratory data analysis? Exploratory data analysis is very important step in when doing data analysis. Why we are doing this one? To understand more insights about data like finding or identifying patterns, trends in the data sets. Before training any model, we have to first understand and know what the data is. If you doesn't know anything about the data, then we can't create the model. So it is the main important steps when we training the model, because we have to select the right variable. If you want any variable we can create, but before that we need to know about the ED analysis, the data for analyzing and understanding the data. Okay, using descriptive statistics we can find quick information about the data like measures of central tendency. In that we can find mean, median, mode. Let's say for example you have features like the age or price or the employee details, employee salary, whatever. So you want to know the medium, some central tendency like mean means median means average, median means medial value, and the most frequent, what are the data in the my column most frequent value. That also we can check using the central tendency. And next one is measures of dispersion. Dispersion is nothing but it will tell us the standard deviation and variations in the data or in the column values. And next one is quantiles and percentiles. So that also we can check. Let's say for example, what is my 25 data looks like, and what is my 50 percentage of data looks like, and what is my 75% of data looks like. That also we can check using the percentiles. Okay. Next thing is we are going to see about data exploration. In the data exploration, we have different kinds like univariate, bivariate, multivariate, correlation, and covariance, etc. Okay, these are few I have listed here. First one is univariate. Univariate is nothing but understanding the single variable data, that is the distribution and characteristics of a single variable. And the second one is bivariate. Bivariate is nothing but finding the relationship between two variables or two columns. Okay, and the third one is multivariate analysis. Multivariate analysis is nothing but we are going to find relationship between three or more variables. Okay, and the fourth one is correlation. Correlation is nothing but measures the strength of a linear relationship between the variables. So if you have two variables, so your independent feature is time, you are going to predict time. So you can check the time with other categorical input data or any input data. If you have some category of let's say for example we can take as date and time. Okay, date and time is the your dependent variable, and in independent variable you have the incident count, or on one more variable you have the category. So which category I am getting more incidents, that we can check the correlations. And also we can use covariance to measure the changes. If you have two variable, the count and also the category, if we can check the two variable changes, how two variables are varying together, that also we can capture using covariance and correlations. Next one is data visualization. Data visualization is nothing but we're going to visualize the data and see and find the patterns. Let's say for example you have category of data. Okay, in one column you have different types of category like simple, medium, and high. So you want to check the volume and also the size of the categories. Okay, that we can use plot like bar plot or count plot to check and how the I'm getting more more numbers in more counts in medium or high or low or simple, medium, or complex. That also we can see in the graph the trend or the distribution, how the data is distributed. That all we can use plot. We can plot the data and see the and find the patterns. Okay, we have different types. First one is scatter plots. Heat maps is used for correlations. Okay, if for numerical data it directly tell us how two variables are varying together, what are the relationship between correlations between two variables. It will tell all the variables for the numerical data. For categorical data we have to first convert or encode the category, and then we can use correlations, or else we can directly use Cramer's rule for checking the categorical data correlations. And I have still right bar plot and count plot we can use for checking the distribution, how the data is distributed among category. And we have different plots like pie plot and box plot. Using box plot, we can also find the outliers. So let's say for example, you have data of 1,000 data points. Around 10 data points or 20 data points are varying differently when compared to common patterns. So that 10 or 20 different data points are outliers. We have to do outlier treatment and removing the outlier or replacing the outlier with other values. Okay, that we can capture how many data are outlier, that we can use box plot directly to check the outlier. Okay, and we have lot of plots like line plot, whiskey plot, pair plot. There are a lot of plots, pie plot, line plot, etc. Okay. If you have any doubts, we can you can mention that in the comment section. I will give the reply as soon as I see. And please do subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. If you like it and if you want to share with your friends, please feel free to share. Thank you.